Hi there, I'm Aaron from Superior Singing Method, and in this video I want to talk about singing exercises to improve tone. Okay, singing exercises to improve tone. At the end of this video I want to give you the thing that has helped my tone more than anything. A professional singer told me when I was just a kid and starting to sing, and I've never forgotten it, and it radically kind of changed my tone and the way I sing. It's something really simple that you can do today, but it radically changed my voice. So what is tone? Tone is basically it's the timbre of your voice, the quality of your voice. It's the sound of your voice that is uniquely you. So as I'm talking, if you know me or you've seen my other videos, you hear my voice and you know that it's me, and it's like your mom or your dad or your brother or sister. When you hear it, doesn't matter. You hear the voice from the other room, you know immediately who it is. That's the timbre, the quality of your voice. The tone of your voice. Now, the tone also, so that's just the recognizable tone, but then there's also the tone that when you sing, it's a little different than speaking, although I believe that singing should be a lot like speaking. It shouldn't be strained or forced. It should be a lot like the level of speaking. There are certain things that we can do to help our tone to be better, to come across better. It's not like nasally or in your mouth or too low, or a lot of different things that don't sound pretty. I've got an exercise for you, and this is actually an exercise that you may have heard before, but it's for speaking. It's for being able to speak well and to be able to articulate well. It is Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. So saying that and being able to say that and repeat that and be able to articulate that well is something that will help your speaking, but will help improve your tone as well. Because as you articulating is an interesting thing. Articulation, if I slightly over articulate when I'm singing, that just comes across as sounding normal when you're singing, and you can understand the lyrics, and it causes you to open up your mouth a little more, which improves your tone, because an open mouth and throat is what keeps you from that kind of mumbly dull sound. So it helps all that. It helps open your throat, your mouth, and also the articulation just overall helps the shape of your mouth and your tone, and people can understand your lyrics. So when you're singing, over articulate just slightly and it'll sound normal, and it will actually improve your tone. The articulation thing is what helped me more than anything when it came to improving my tone. It's still something I think about, it's still something I use, and my tone is far better for it. So if you can remember that and you can do that, then that will improve your tone greatly, actually. So Sally sells seashells by the seashore. So that's one thing, and the other thing is just remembering to articulate and slightly over articulate. So thanks for watching the video. I encourage you to continue to sing, follow your dreams, be your most heroic self. Don't let fear or anything else or what anybody has said stop you from pursuing your dreams. I pursue my dreams every day, and I fight for my dreams all the time, and I've never regretted that, and I want the same for you. So anyway, subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos, or you just want to be a part of the community that's going on here. Leave a comment. Anything you want to say is welcome. The link below actually goes to I have an 8-week systematic course that is step by step. You learn the right things at the right time, techniques, exercises, all that. But also at that link you'll find a bunch of free stuff as well, free tips, and all that stuff as well. Share the love and like the video if you don't mind, and I'll see you next time.